based on precedence. So this is a precedence table. That means whatever operator you have got, like math in mathematics, you follow BODMAS. है ना mathematics में you have BODMAS to solve the expression containing many different types of operators. So this is the sort of BODMAS chart for Python, which it follows when solving the problem. Okay. When solving expression containing multiple, what you say is operators, different types of operators. So considering this in mind, okay, let's say this is your chart. Okay, then you try solving again these two problems that you had in your exam. किधर गया? Yeah. If I'm okay, तो इसको solve करो. ठीक है. If you need to see कि which one will be evaluated first, you can refer to this chart. Double star is nothing but power exponent. ठीक है. इस order में solve करो and tell me how you got the answer and what answer you get. और यही क्या exam में लिख के आया हो. Let me know. Of course, I'll be solving this. Okay, let's say this is A and this is B. Try करो solve करने का. I'll give you around 1 minute. All of you. Palak will tell me the answer first. ये क्या आया है उसका? Remember, relational operator का answer and comparison का this relational operator and logical operators का answer हरदम true या false में आएगा. Okay, when this numbers are involved. 13 Anant believes कि for first one Anant. Okay. Okay, so Anant believes for A solution is 13. Any other answer? किसी और का कुछ आया है? Others में let me know. सौरभ का भी 13 आया है. प्रियंका, अखिला, पलक, कीर्तना, Shashank is there. Vishnu Priya also got 13. Abhishek का भी 13 आंसर आया है. अच्छा, पलक has not joined today. Okay. हाँ, others second one का बताओ. Answer for the question number part B. Priyanka got true. Okay. So for B, one answer I have got as true. Priyanka believes. Anant का false आया है. Anant. अजय का भी false आया. प्रशांत का true आया. ये Prashant. Ajay has got. अच्छा, विष्णु प्रिया का भी फॉल्स आया है. एनीवन एल्स? और किसका? सौरभ का भी फॉल्स आया है. ट्रू किसका किसका है? अजय का भी फॉल्स है. ओके, अभिषेक का भी फॉल्स आया. ठीक है. ट्रू. ठीक है. सो आंसर इज, इसका करेक्ट आंसर देखते हैं. डू आई नीड टू सॉल्व द फर्स्ट वन? हाउ मच यू गॉट अभिषेक, प्रियंका एंड अदर्स? बताओ. सबका
Sir,
13
I
है.
got
हाँ, यू गॉट
13.
इट.
Yes, sir.
प्रियंका, हाउ मच यू गॉट फॉर द फर्स्ट वन? अच्छा, तो सबका 13 आ गया है, तो आई गेस दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, फर्स्ट वन. ठीक है, सॉल्व योर सेल्फ. ओके, नाउ आई विल सॉल्व बी. देखते हैं. बी says 10 greater than 5 and 7 greater than 12, or not 18 greater than 3. Okay, so इसमें क्या है? देखो, इन सब में से what all types of operators are here? We have relational operators and or not, ये सब relational operators है. But what is this greater than symbol? These are comparison or, sorry, these are and or not are logical operators, and greater than वाले symbols जो हैं, these are relational or comparison operators. So ये देखोगे कि these relational operators are towards the top, and this and or and not are towards the bottom. That means the ones which are above in the list, they are having higher priority and must be solved first in the expression. Okay, so based on this, which all will have priority? इसको पहले सॉल्व करना है, इसको पहले सॉल्व करना है, एंड इसको पहले सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, लेट्स से I have marked the parts or sub expressions which need to be solved on priority basis. Okay, ठीक है, चलो अब इसको सॉल्व करके लिखना शुरू करते हैं. इसका क्या आंसर आएगा? 10 greater than 2 का is 10 greater than, sorry, 5. आंसर विल बी
ट्रू.
इसका तो ट्रू
True.
आ जाएगा. is 7 greater than 12?
False.
False.
फॉल्स आएगा. ओके, is 18 greater than 3?
True.
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 Okay, now the expression is reduced to true and false or not true. Okay, चलो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. उससे पहले we will see in the next page, we will just recap what are the truth tables. ठीक है, truth tables for logical operators. Okay, so first of all we will see the truth table of and logical operator. So and में क्या होगा? If one input is true, अच्छा, सब क्या क्या हो सकता है पॉसिबल? फॉल्स फॉल्स कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है, फॉल्स ट्रू हो सकता है, ट्रू फॉल्स हो सकता है, एंड देन यू कैन हैव ट्रू ट्रू. ओके, एंड देन दिस विल बी द रिजल्ट. सो व्हेन वी नो ये पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस है, can you tell me when both are false, false and false will give you what?
False.
false,
False. True and false will give you, false and true will give you
false,
False.
false. ठीक है, true and false will give you false, and you will get only true when both are true. So you will get here true. Okay. Now second is or का truth table. ठीक है. So similarly I'll write false false, false true, true false, and true true. Prashant is saying, sir, answer for the first one is not 12. By applying board mass I wrote 13 in the exam. ठीक है, सही हो गया है, and if your concept is clear then it's all right. Okay.
Sir, shouldn't we use not table over here?
रुको रुको पहले. What will be the answer of both when both are false? Then false or false will give you
False.
false. False or true will give you. Remember, जब और होता है ना, any one is true then it will result in true. Okay. At least even if one of them is true, then answer will be true. So this will be true. True or false will give you true, and true and true will give you true. Okay. Now third one is not का क्या होगा. Not में तो not takes only one value. ठीक है. So if it is false, answer will be true. Just it reverses. And if you are providing true, answer will come as false. Now let us come back. These are the truth tables. Now let us come back and try to solve this. What I'll do is I'll just copy it here. Now tell me, and based on that we see, now this is the expression, this is the expression, and now tell me among and, or, and not, which one has the highest priority if you see this chart. Chart में देखोगे and, or, and not में which one is having the, if you have to arrange them in the descending order of the priority, that is the highest priority, the lowest priority, what will be the order? Priyanka, what do
Not.
you think? Which one will come first? देखो यहाँ सामने दिख रहा है ना, you can speak up. Anand, Abhishek, Saurav.
Not, sir.
Not will be having the highest priority. प्रियंका देखो यहाँ पे ऊपर में सबसे ऊपर कौन है? Which one is among these three, which one comes at the top? टॉप पे आता है नॉट. हाँ, नॉट आता है. तो सबसे पहले नॉट सॉल्व होगा, उसके बाद एंड सॉल्व होगा, एंड देन यू विल बी सॉल्विंग और. तो नॉट एंड और. ठीक है. तो if you see, this one is having the first priority, this one is having the second priority, and then this one is having the third priority. Okay. 1 minute. तो मैं different color से लिख देता हूँ, else you will get confused with these. This one is having first, this one is having and is having second priority, and or is having third priority. ठीक है. तो now we will solve. Now I said not always works on one value. तो not के बाद जो immediate value आता है, that is the value it accepts. तो first सबसे पहले what you will solve? You will solve this part because not has to be solved first. Not के immediate बाद जो value है, that on that value it will operate. Okay. So this expression will reduce to true and false, or what will be the answer of this part if you are solving not first? Not true. तो अगर not के साथ if you are getting true, तो what will be the answer? Reverse हो जाएगा, false. So not true will give you false. So if with not you are having true, it will be reversed. So here it will become false. Now not has gone, only two things is remaining, and or. In this, which one will be having the higher priority? Okay, the first you are going to solve this one, and because and comes highest priority of will be this. So this one will be solved first, then this will be solved. So here solving first will be this one, and then you will be solving this part. Now you see, this has to be solved first. True and false. So when you are getting true and false, the answer will be false. False. Okay. And then whatever is remaining, you write or false. Now you see, only one operator is there, or. तो or वाले table को refer करो, refer this table of or. So false or false. False or false का what is the output? False. Therefore, your final answer will be this, which is your solution. तो जिनका जिनका ट्रू आया था, प्रशांत एंड प्रियंका, let me know कि is it clear how we got false here? With the starting question we solved this first, greater than wale kyunki because they are at the top. Once you solve it, the expression will reduce to this. Once it has reduced to this, based on the priority among and, or, and not, okay, we are solving this. Now if once you solve this, finally it will reduce to this. Okay, great. How many of you did this in the exam, attempted this and got it correct, both? किसी का नहीं आया? Yeah, I have not checked. I have only I have not even gone through your papers. So objective में some people have got good marks. मतलब कुछ लोगों को पूरे भी आए हैं. This one is preparatory exam. Your results will be declared later. I'll try to send you by third week. Ajay, what happened? ये तुम्हारा 7 marks में कैसे फंस गए हो? Okay. So mostly you have got out of 15, 10, 11. Two people I think have got 15. Full आया है जिसको. Akhila and Anand. Rest ठीक है. Between 10 to 15 you are getting, that's okay. But Ajay, you will have to pull it up. I'll check again कि if I have कुछ ये हो गया तो. अच्छा, Akhila got it correct. Good. ठीक है. चलो. We'll see. Right. मतलब जिनको 15 आया है, that doesn't mean कि all the answers are correct. They might have opted extra question. Out of 21 there was option, so that's why they might have got correct. So I have not gone through, just saying like that. Okay, so that was the thing we have discussed. One more thing that I will like you to solve right now is just a minute. You solve this, though we have done it, but you solve once again. Let's say you have a question like this: x is equals to 10, y is equals to 20, and then you have x comma y is equals to x plus 10, x plus 20, x plus 30. Okay. Print x and print y. And second is, let's say this is the first one. Second is x is equals to minus 5, y is equals to 7, x plus 1, x plus 5, x plus 10. Print x comma, yeah, पहले रख लो x and then जल्दी बताओ 1 का और 2 का आंसर. We have learned how to solve these. Yes, Prashant, how much you got for the first one? फोर्टी सेवेंटी आया है सौरभ का, अनंत का भी 40-70 आया है. ओके. प्रशांत ऑल्सो गॉट 40-70. अच्छा, सौरभ को -4 और 11 आया है. सो आई एम गेटिंग आंसर्स एज 40, another value is 70, even it has got -4 and
Sir, -4 and 11 was for second one.
acha, -4 and 11 was for the second one. Okay, okay. -4 and y is equals to 11. Okay. Kirtana has got 30 and 20. Okay. Second pair is 30 and 20. Abhishek has got 40. अच्छा, 40-70 है. ठीक है. I'm not sure, मुझे याद नहीं, मैं तो randomly दे दिया हूँ. Let us wait. Others बताइए आप लोग भी. Vishnu Priya has got 40-70 and -4-11. Okay. Kirtana का second one का -4 and 11 है. Okay. So any other answer? ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. प्रियंका, हैव यू सॉल्व्ड?
Sir, second one is -4, 6.
अच्छा, माइनस सेकंड आंसर इज -4 and 6. ओके, ठीक है, चलो लेट अस सॉल्व. व्हाट आई सेड इज कि व्हेन यू हैव गॉट दिस, तो राइट साइड ऑफ द इक्वल्स टू को पहले सॉल्व करना शुरू
सर
करो.
-4 और 6.
ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. अच्छा, -4 and 0 is one more answer that Akhila has got. Okay. And 20-40. 20-40. ठीक, देखते हैं. Now let us say when we are solving the right side of the equals to first. तो एक्सप्रेशन में फर्स्ट स्टार्ट रिप्लेसिंग द वैल्यूज ऑफ द वेरिएबल. सो x का वैल्यू 10 है, तो रिप्लेस एवरीवेयर विद 10. सो दिस एक्सप्रेशन विल इवेलुएट टू क्या हो जाएगा 20 कॉमा 20 30 कॉमा 40. Okay, so that means here you have got x comma y is equals to 20 comma 30 comma 40. Once you get in this form, कि left side में भी one value, left side में you have three variables and right side में you have three literals or three values, then you can write it in order. If it has reduced to this form, then you can write one by one. X is equals to 20, x is equals to 30, and y is equals to 40. Now when you print, it always prints the latest values of x and y. Okay, so latest values of x and y क्या होगा? देखो, latest value of x is 30 and latest value of y is 40. So when you are printing, okay, you will get as, okay, she was close, but I don't know how Akila you got here 20. Maybe you took the first value. Okay. So latest value was 30 and last value of y was 40. So therefore your answer will come as 30 and 40. So ये सही नहीं है. Answer should be x is equals to 30 and y is equals to 40. Okay. Based on this logic, I will give you one more attempt for this. Even I don't know whether one of these is answer or not. देखो तो इस लॉजिक से भी कोई पेयर मैच कर रहा है क्या? Priyanka believes -4 and 5. Okay. So now I'm getting -4 and 5 also. I don't know why you got it wrong. Just before it, your exams, this was the last thing where we stopped. भूल जाते हो ना, रिवाइज नहीं करते हो. That is the problem. I'm telling you, not only for my subject. I don't know whether other teachers will be so keen for revision classes, but lack of revision is going to kill you in the exam. One or two revision makes difference from 85 to 95%. Okay, -4 and 5 है second. चलो solve करते हैं इसको भी. So whatever is the value of x, start replacing everywhere. -5, -5, -5. Okay, now let us solve this. So this will reduce to, ये क्या हो जाएगा? -5, ये -4 हो जाएगा. This will become 0 and this will become 5. So expression will reduce to x comma y is equals to -4 comma 0 comma 5, and finally you will get it as, now one variable, for each variable you have one value. When the expression form has reduced to this form, then you can write one by one. So x is equals to -4. Okay, y is equals to 0, and then y is equals to 5. Okay, so latest value of x and y is, this implies x will be -4 and y will be 5. Okay, -4 and 5. Good. ठीक है, ये तो हमने देखा था पहले. You could have solved this. ये मैंने कभी बताया होगा कि if you want to do this, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2, this can be written in one single line as a comma b is equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, तो ये इस तरह वेरिएबल असाइनमेंट हो सकता है वन लाइन में. ओके, क्लियर?
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, but won't the value of x change when we are assigning something to it?
want the value of x? No. Why? You remember here, when we were discussing कि x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, Z is equals to x plus y. So what rule we have been following till now when solving the expression? Okay, क्या rule follow करते हैं? First expression is solved. Okay, first expression on the right side of the equals to is solved. One single value is obtained from here after solving the expression, and that single value is then assigned to Z. Okay, so first of all, whatever is the right side will be simplified first. So after simplification, the right side will be done, will reduce to this form, and then assignments will start taking place. Before the expressions are solved to single value, assignment does not start. ठीक है, तो इक्वल टू के राइट साइड जितने भी वैल्यूज हैं पहले दे विल बी रिड्यूस टू सिंगल वैल्यूज एंड देन ओनली द बाइंडिंग और द इंसर्शन ऑफ वैल्यूज इन द वेरिएबल्स टेक प्लेस. सो इट वोंट हैपन लाइक दिस कि पार्शियली दिस विल बी सॉल्व्ड इन द राइट साइड ऑफ द इक्वल टू, फिर इसमें चला जाएगा, फिर देन दिस विल बी सॉल्व्ड एंड देन इट विल गो लाइक दैट. नो, first whatever expressions, even if multiple expressions are there on the right side of the equal to, with the current values of the variables above, they will be solved and reduced to one value, single value, and then once the single values are obtained, then one by one they will be assigned. Anand, is it
Correct.
clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Is it clear, everyone? प्रियंका, कीर्तना, अजय, प्रशांत, विष्णुप्रिया, Abhishek. Palak has not joined yet. नहीं आई है क्या आज? ओके, चलो ठीक है. Because these are important things, so I don't want any one of you to miss. Anyways, ठीक है. Now once we are done here, this was a very small topic. एक और चीज देख लेते हैं. Identifying the valid variables. ठीक है, वेरिएबल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने का रूल्स क्या है? आइडेंटिफायर्स, नॉट वेरिएबल्स, सॉरी. Rules for valid identifiers. What are identifiers? These are the names that you give to the variables. जैसे तुम लिखते हो x is equals to 2. X is not a variable, it is a label attached to the memory location जिसमें वो value 2 contained है. Okay, so this, the label attached to this box in the memory where 2 is placed, and this box is known as variable, and this label and the name attached to it is known as identifier. So what are the accepted names that can be given to the memory locations or the variables? Okay, so that is the question here. So rule क्या क्या होते हैं?
Special character should be there.
हाँ ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग सबसे मेन रूल क्या है? कैन इट स्टार्ट विथ अ नंबर?
No, sir.
No. So it must start with, it must start with what? Alphabet or
And underscore.
alphabet or underscore. Okay. It may be followed by, मतलब once it has started with the first one, इसी में लिख देते हैं, and may be followed by any combination of what? Alphabet, digits और underscore. उसके बाद कुछ भी कॉम्बिनेशन आ जाए, डजंट मैटर. Which one, Priyanka, you want me to explain? This one. Then कौन सा? Uh, in this valid identifiers. Let me know. अच्छा, the answer was 13. चलो उसको देख लेते हैं पहले. How was the answer 13? देखो, इसमें देखोगे, you have this order, right? So you see that सबसे पहले कौन solve होगा? Double star is there at the top. So first of all, this portion will be solved. Okay. So this portion, अगर चलो इसको next page में लिखते हैं. What is the question? 6 multiplied by 3. The question is 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. Then you have integer division or floor division by 5 minus 8. Okay, hope you remember this. Floor division क्या करता है? Floor division means integer division या floor division क्या है? तो मान लो 7 by 2 है. So when you divide 7 by 2, what will be the quotient? ठीक है, अगर 7 को 2 से divide करते हैं, 3, 6, remainder will be 1. Okay, so you will discard this quotient and you will only write this remainder, and you will only take this quotient part. ठीक है, 3. Similarly, if I write 7 mod 2, the answer will be this. इस case में you will discard the quotient and you will use the remainder 1. Okay, so keeping this in mind, let us solve this. Let's say this is a rough area. So keeping that in mind, so first of all, तुम देखोगे previous में, this double star exponent is at the top, so this will be solved first. Okay, exponent will be solved first. So we have to first take care of this part. So the answer will be, rest things will remain as it is, plus 4 to the power 2. This means power 4 square. Okay. So this will be 4 square is what? Nothing but 16. And write remaining as it is. Now, this has come. Now you will see, go to the previous page, see where these operators lie. Multiplication and integer division or floor division. So if you see here, you will find that, अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक चीज नहीं दिया हुआ है, I will write, this floor division also comes there only. Floor division का भी ranking उसी पे है, जहाँ multiplication होता है ना, their modulus and this floor division is also there. Okay, I'll write here, floor or integer division. Maybe that's why you got confused. So now next, they are at the equal level, so they can be solved together. Okay, so that means next you have to solve this one and this one. Okay, let us solve this. So what will be the answer? 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to 18, plus this will come to 18, and this will come as, when you divide 16 by 5, 15, just 15, remainder is 1. Okay, we know that in floor division, we are only concerned with the quotient part and we will ignore the remainder part. If it had been a modulus operator, remainder, तब हम लोग ये 1 ले लेते and we would have ignored this. So here, this is the quotient part that you're worried about, that you have to focus on. So you'll write here 3 minus 8. Okay. Now both are at equal level. You can start solving in order. So 18 plus 3 will give you 21, minus 8. This is 13. प्रियंका ये देख के बताओ, इज इट क्लियर? इट्स वेरी गुड दैट यू आस्क्ड। अगर इसको छोड़ देते इग्नोर करके ना तो बहुत दिक्कत होता। इज इट क्लियर? Okay, great. Now we will come to this part. Uh, a valid identifier name must start with alphabet or underscore and may be followed by any combination of alphabet digits or underscore. Second is no other symbol or character other than alphabet, number, alphabet, digit, or underscore is allowed. And third is it should not be a keyword. Be a keyword or reserve word, जो बोलो, keyword, reserve word. What are keywords and reserve words? इसके examples क्या हैं?
print, for,
For,
if,
print, float,
input,
ठीक है? Input नहीं, function का name is not a keyword.
okay sir,
Then you have in, is, okay, some other examples. उसमें और क्या बोल सकते हो? While, ठीक है? और भी होगा, मतलब I'm just giving you some examples because they have the predefined meaning in the Python. So ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए. But remember, for ये जैसे float लिखा हुआ है, तो float is okay. But because Python is case sensitive, so float with small f and float with capital F will have entirely different meaning. Will be taken as entirely different things. Okay, so this is not allowed. However, capital F के साथ float या ये capital T के साथ float, it can be there. Okay, as it is only there. So I'll write here note, as Python is case sensitive, as Python is case sensitive.
Sir,
हाँ,
so it's double a valid identifier.
नो, इसमें डबल होता ही नहीं है कुछ. सो यू कैन यूज दैट, जावा में डबल होता है. कीवर्ड विथ different cases, different case is a valid identifier. That means example में क्या क्या हो सकता है? Float will with capital F, okay, while with capital W, or while with capital E, या किसी को कैपिटल कर दो या अपर केस, ठीक है, इन विथ कैपिटल आई, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. नाउ कंसिडरिंग दीज इन माइंड, टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, आई जस्ट ओपन इट एज वेल हियर. इसको भी मैं सामने ला देता हूं. Just a minute. ये वाला ओके। इन सब को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये बताओ कि which one
D.
is valid and which one is not valid and why. ठीक है, my phone is off so I will not be able to see.
D
Is first
because
one,
it starts with an integer.
D is invalid.
D is invalid. Why? It is
Invalid.
violating the. We'll see
Rules.
everyone, each one. What about the first one? Is it starting with? Is it following all the three rules? Is it starting with an alphabet? Alphabet can be in upper or lower case, doesn't matter. Is it starting with an alphabet? Yes. After alphabet, is it following any combination of alphabet digits or number or this underscore? Yes. उसके बाद जो भी आ रहा है, starting from y in lower case, whatever you get is either of these, alphabet, underscore or digit. ठीक है, digit is absent so doesn't matter. So yes, first one is valid identifier. And what about the second? Is there any other symbol? No. In the first one, no. Is it a keyword? No, it is also not a keyword. So of course the first one is valid. What about the second one? Is it starting with an alphabet? Yes, it is starting with an alphabet. Is it followed by any combination of alphabet digits or underscore? Of course, only alphabets are there after that. Okay. Second one, is it containing any other special character other than alphabet, underscore, or digit? No. Is it a reserved word? Yes, it is a reserved word, but the case is different. So it does not qualify as the reserved word which is for. It appears to be a reserved word, but it is not a reserved word because it is there, Python being case sensitive. This is in capital F. So therefore, this for and this for are different. Okay. Now, what about the third one? It should start with an alphabet or underscore. It is starting with an alphabet, sorry, underscore. So yes, this first part is correct. May be followed by any combination of alphabet digits or underscore. Yes, it is followed by any combination of digit. उसके बाद जो आ रहा है, that is either a digit, alphabet or underscore. Yes, alphabets are absent, doesn't matter. So the third is, and उसके बाद no other symbol or character is there other than the above three. नहीं है. And it is also not a reserved word. So this also qualifies. What about third? First rule fails because it is not starting with an alphabet or underscore, rather it is starting with a digit. वहीं पे गलत हो गया, आगे देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So only last one is the correct answer. ठीक है? Right? Yeah. So ये वाला क्लियर है कंसेप्ट आइडेंटिफायर्स का. देखो आज जो हमने पढ़ाया है उसमें 2 मार्क्स जरूर आएगा बोर्ड में. Out of these 3 topics that I have taken, 2 marks you can take for sure. Okay? Is it fine? सबको समझ में आया? प्रियंका, विष्णु प्रिया, others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो ठीक है, आज यही रुकेंगे. What we are going to do is, देखो,